extensively in this video. Today I'm showing you how to create a weaved chiffon table runner to take your sweetheart table to the next level. Let's begin. First, I'm folding the runner in half lengthways 3 times. I'm doing this with 4 different colors and lining them up horizontally on the table. Next, I'm starting the weaving process by passing a runner vertically under the first and third horizontal runners. I'm repeating this process in an alternative order by running the next one under the second and fourth runners. Again under the first and third runners. And now again under the second and fourth runners. Once the weave table runner is complete, I'm setting the table and adding the final finishing touches to this beautiful boho sweetheart table. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.